Hi, my name is Bintu Harwani, and in this lecture we'll learn how to make a complete Android app. This is a very simple Android app. It's a street food application. That is, it will show the best 10 street foods of India. Very simple application. We'll see step by step how it is made. So let's start with it. So in this lecture, we will learn how to make a complete street food app. Recall from lecture 9, we made an app which was showing certain food items like dabeli, pav bhaji and all. And when you used to click on any of the street food, it was showing you the details of Kadi Kachori only. It means whatsoever option you select, it will show you only one layout file, Kadi Kachori, right? But now we'll make it enhanced. In this lecture, we will learn to make it a complete street food app. If you select on dabeli, it will navigate you to dabeli.xml file to display you the information of dabeli only. When you select on pav bhaji street food, it will navigate you to pav bhaji layout file to show you the details of pav bhaji. So this is what we are going to do. And this lecture is in continuation of the project that we were making in lecture 9. I assume that you've seen my lecture 9. If you haven't, I am supplying you the link of that lecture in description box. Please view that lecture. And I am opening the same Android file because we have to continue building a street food app through that file that we made in lecture 9. So I am opening Android Studio, and this is the file that we were working on, right? These are the steps that we have to apply on this file. First of all, we have to open the layout file, food_layout file, and apply the following changes. So what I'll do that I'll open the food layout file. This is the layout file. Let us run this app and see what are its limitations. Let's run this. See, these are the street foods it is showing. I select on Khaman, for example, it will show you the details of Kadi Kachori only. If you go back and click on say pav bhaji, still it will show you the details of Kadi Kachori only. So one thing, we have to modify it to show the details of the selected street food, one thing. Secondly, see, we will be uploading this app on the Play Store also. So it should be very attractive also. This app is not looking very magnetic. So we'll apply certain changes to it. So first of all, we'll change the color of the constant layout. Here, in its properties, you can see it background here. Let me maximize it. See, can you see this background? Click here. And here, it will show you 3 options. Drawable, that means if you want any picture at the background of this constant layout, you can select that also. I'll click on colors. And here are the certain colors that are built in. You can even create your own color. I select this dark color, hollow red dark color, right? And click on OK. So this is applied. Next thing, I have to change the color of this food name text view. So I'll go here, and here the text color, I'll make it white. So click here and you'll find here some white color. This one, white. Click on OK. Also, if you can see here, text style, I'll select this B to make it bold. You can see it has become white and it has become a bit bold, right? Similarly, I'll select this food detail from the component tree and I'll change its color to white. Again, here I'll click here on this text color property. I'll select white color from this color tab, this one. Click OK, and also I have to make its style to bold. See, this is, I'll click on B. You see that? Okay. So this is done. What else I have to do? See, change the background color of constant layout, change the color of a food name and food detail, make them bold. It's done. Should be no layout margin or padding in the constant layout. In the constant layout, there should not be no padding, no layout margin. Let's see it. No layout margin here. Can you see it? And here padding also, nothing here. What is the next it's required? Only 2sp layout margin at bottom of the card view. Select the card view, go into layout margin. You want 2sp at the bottom of the card view. See, I'll maximize it if you can see that. This here, to make it 2sp. Okay. And what else is required? No padding in card view required. Let's check it. Padding. No padding. See, can you see it? I'll maximize it.
these question marks say that nothing has been applied. In all the 4 directions, nothing has been applied on the padding property. And set the constant left and right of food name to make it appear. See, this text view, this is not at the center. To make it center, I'll set its left and right constants. Let's see what are the constants available with this. See, the right constant is not there. So either I can click here to add the right constant, or you can click and drag it here. See, and here I want the left constant to be 0 again. So to make it appear at the center of the screen. What else is required? No padding required in food detail. Text view, only left constant is required to be 5sp. No padding, food detail, select food detail. See if there's any padding or layout margins. Here there are several. We don't want any of the margins here. We want only left margin to be 5sp. Rest I don't want. Click and delete. Select, delete, select and delete key. And from the left I want 5sp. I want a gap from this image view. I think all the changes are applied. Let's run and see how it looks now. No, this is from the left constant is not required of this image view. So click on image view and here I don't require this right constant. I don't want. I just click on this cross. See, I'll maximize it. This cross, so that it should be attracted to left only. Now it should be perfect. Terminate and run it again. See, perfect. This is, it should look attractive, but at the moment again it's not perfect. If I click on common, it will show you the details of Kadi Kachori only. So we have to do several other things too. Let's go ahead. Open the Kadi Kachori file and change its background color to color accent. Let's open this kadikachori.xml file and select constant layout and change its color, background color. See, here is the background color. If you recall from the first lecture that color accent is the color which decides the color of all the components of the app. Like recall that we opened this color.xml file and these are the 3 colors. Title color, the color of the status bar, and this is the color accent which will be the color of the entire components which will be placed on the app, on the layout, right? This color accent will be overridden by the specific color that you apply it on the component. So I'll go to Kadi Kachori. If you haven't seen my first lecture, please view my all previous lectures. You'll be able to understand Android programming very, very well. So here I've selected constant layout and I'll go to background color. See here, I'll maximize it. See, this is background and here I'll click on this. I'll select the color accent. I'll go to color. Here color accent, I'll select it. It also means that if I change the color accent from a color.xml file, it will be changed in all the components where I have applied color accent, right? So it is a global control on the app. Now you select OK. Perfect. What else is required? Now you have to make 5 copies of Kadi Kachori by the names Dabeli, Pav Bhaji and all. So I'll just do what? Now it's perfect. Both the things are visible. I have to make the 5 copies of this Kadi Kachori. Right click onto it, copy, and on this layout folder right click and select paste. You want the names of this Kadi Kachori by name Dabeli, so I have to give the name Dabeli here. Click on OK. Again right click, paste. What's the next name you want is Pav Bhaji. Okay. Right click and paste. For the next name you want Khaman. Next you want is Chole Bhatura. Next you want is Vada Pav. There are 6 street foods. One was already there, Kadi Kachori. 5 XML files are required. So Vada Pav is there. Copy 10 provided images. I'll be providing you these images. See, I have the 2 images each for all the street foods. 5 street food extra we have added. See, and they are named accordingly. Chole Bhatura 2, Chole Bhatura 3. Dabeli 2, Dabeli 3. Khaman 2, Khaman 3. So they are named accordingly. Shift select all. Copy them. And on the drawable folder, here, you have these files already. Right? I want more. Click on paste. It is asking you to confirm the directory. Click on OK. OK. All are copied. Next, you have to open all XML file, all the 5 XML files, and change its content. So I'll click on, say first is Dabeli. Where is Dabeli? Minimize it, minimize it. I don't want to. See, this is the 3 text view and 2 images. See, there are 2 images. On every XML file, you will find 3 text views, 1, 2 and 3. And you will find 2 image views, this one and this one. We have to change its content. So click on this text view, right, and you copy this one. And after selecting this text view, click its text property here in the properties and press delete key and press Ctrl V to paste this content, Gujarat famous Dabeli. Thereafter you select this one. I'll provide you the content, don't worry. Right click it, copy it, click this text view. Here in this text property, press delete key and press Ctrl plus V to paste this content. The content is changed. Then you click here, select this, right click, copy. This text you have to delete. Select text property, press delete key and press Ctrl V to paste the new content. And here, this you don't want. You want the Dabeli 2 picture here. So after selecting this image view, select this SRC Compat property. I'll maximize it. Click here. And from here, this is Dabeli. You have to select Dabeli 2 here and click on OK. So you will get the pic of Dabeli 2 here. Now click here, this image view. Again go to SRC Compat property and select Dabeli 3 and click on OK. See, so this is ready. This layout is perfect for the Dabeli. Next you want is Pav Bhaji. Click on Pav Bhaji here. Click this property, select this, copy. From here text property, delete and Ctrl V. Don't worry about this. This will be at the center. Select this one. Select Pav Bhaji content from here. Copy. Select this. Press delete key and Ctrl V. Select this one. Delete key and Ctrl V. Then you want to replace this image content by Pav Bhaji 2 and Pav Bhaji 3, right? Click on this SRC Compat property, Pav Bhaji 2. Click OK. This change. Click on this. Again go to this property and Pav Bhaji 3. Click OK. So this layout is perfect for this layout. Which one is this? Pav Bhaji. Next you have to go for Khaman Dokla. Click on Khaman XML file. Maximize it. click on this and copy this tasty command Khokla. The process will be repeated, right? I could have given you the XML file straight away, but why I am asking you to do it on your own? Because you won't be uploading this app on the Play Store. You'll be enhancing it, like you will be converting it into the 7 wonders of the world, or you'll be converting it into the, suppose you are residing at Bombay, so you'll convert it into the best tourist spots of Mumbai. You are staying in Bengal, so you'll convert it into the best Bengali sweets. So for the informative app like this, you have to arrange for the content and then you have to paste it, right? Now select this one, copy this, delete the text property, paste your content, change the image view that way. Command 2 and command 3 you have to select here. This is command 2 and this is command 3. It's done, right? Click on saving. What's next file is Chole Bhatura. Click on Chole Bhatura. Click this text view property, select this one, right click, copy, select this text property, press delete key, press Ctrl V. You can see it changed, huh? We will also make the text property to bold here also, huh? This is not appearing very bold here, huh? The Chole Bhatura has come. Click on the property of the image view, Chole Bhatura 2. Select this Chole Bhatura 3. And what next is file here? Vada Pav. It's the last file, huh? Vada Pav. So click on vadapav.xml. Click here, select this, copy, delete this text properties, Ctrl V, copy this matter, delete its text property, Ctrl V, and yeah. Select this property and select Vada Pav 2. Vada Pav 2. Here we have to select Vada Pav 3. Right, it's all done. Now what you want is make copies of Kadi Kachori activity, because see, these layout files will be loaded from their respective activity files. So this Kadi Kachori activity, the copy of this file will be made and will be made by 5 more names, huh? So right click on it, copy, and you want the names of this Kadi Kachori activity file by name, Dabeli activity file, Pav Bhaji activity file, Khaman activity. .kt is the extension of Kotlin, right? So you copied it, huh? And then on right click here on this your package and paste. You want the file by name Dabeli activity, so you have to replace. Here you can use the uppercase. In layout file you were using all lowercase, right? Dabeli activity is done. Right click again to paste it by one more name, Pav Bhaji. Okay, then you want one more name, Khaman activity. Then you want Chole Bhatura activity. Bhatura, right? And Vada Pav activity. Done. But now, see, you have to change the layout file in each of the 5 activities. So you have to start with Dabeli, like this one, Dabeli. And here it is calling kadikachori.xml file. You have to replace it by Dabeli. This is the file that you made, Dabeli. Similarly, you have to change in Pav Bhaji activity also. Double click on Pav Bhaji and change this kadikachori to Pav Bhaji. See, don't worry about these errors and all. Once it will build, it will recall all the layouts file. Beside Pav Bhaji, Dabeli, and next is your Khaman activity file. So double click on Khaman activity file. Here, replace this kadikachori by Khaman, because you have to make the file by name Khaman activity. After that is Chole Bhatura. Chole Bhatura. Here this kadikachori has to be replaced by the Chole Bhatura.xml file, right? Chole Bhatura. And what next is your last is the Vada Pav activity. Vada Pav activity, and it should call the layout file of Vada Pav. Confirm that it's all changed and all. So Chole Bhatura activity, it should be calling Chole Bhatura. Dabeli should be calling your Dabeli. Kadikachori should be calling your Kadikachori. Khaman should be calling your Khaman. Pav Bhaji should be calling your Pav Bhaji XML file, and Vada Pav should be calling your Vada Pav. These are the layout files that we created, Vada Pav now. Okay. After this, recall from the 9th lecture where we learned how to create another activity. I told you that in Android manifest file you have to inform that there are so many activities in your app. If you don't do so, your app will generate an error. So beside your main activity, now you have 6 more activities. Kadikachori activity was there, you added 5 more. So you have to copy all these activities. Right click onto it. Go to into your Android manifest file. Here, Kadikachori was there, I'll replace it by paste all the 6. This will appear on the title bar of that activity. Activity is the screen. Don't forget anything. Famous Pav Bhaji will appear on the title bar of this activity, Pav Bhaji activity. This famous Kadikachori will appear on the title of this Kadikachori activity. Now it's the heart of the lecture. You want that when you click on Pav Bhaji, it should not go to Kadikachori XML file. It should navigate to Pav Bhaji activity file and should load the pavbhaji.xml file, right? So in lecture 9 we learned about intent. See here, this is the code. This is the heart of the code. We already understood in the 8th and 9th lecture that we are displaying all the street food through recycler view, and in recycler view we are showing each street food through card view, and our card view is showing 3 components: food name as a title, food detail is the details of that street food, and the image view. And we understood that this card view is also known as the view holder, right? When you click on any street food, you can name it as a view holder, or you can also name it as an item view. So what you're doing that you are adding an event handler set on click listener on the item view. Item view means any of the street food, the view holder, right? So you are saying that you please add a click listener to all the view holders, to all the item views. That is, if anybody clicks on any of the item views, that is view holder, you want this if statements to be checked. And what it is doing that, it is checking. I just told you that every card view has 3 components: food name, food detail, and image view. You are checking if the item view which is clicked, you are checking that if the text property of the food name of item view is equal to Dabeli, then you are creating an intent variable. Recall that intent means intention. You are defining what you want to do. What is the action that you want to perform? You are creating an intent variable which is pointing to the Dabeli activity file. And you are invoking start activity passing that intent file. That is, you want to navigate to the activity file which is mentioned in the intent variable. That is, if the text property of the food name of the item view which is clicked is Dabeli, then you want to navigate to Dabeli activity. And what Dabeli activity will do? It will load the Dabeli layout file. And obviously it will display the details of Dabeli only. And if the text property of the food name of item view is equal to Pav Bhaji, you are creating an intent pointing to Pav Bhaji activity file. And you are navigating to that intent. Which one? Pav Bhaji. You are navigating to the respective activity file depending on the food name that is selected. So let's copy this whole code. Go into your food adapter file and replace, I'll maximize this, replace this inner view, right, and paste it. Pasted, and your app is ready to run. So let's run this now. Now click on Chole Bhatura. One thing more, let's maximize it. I have to replace two more things here. This Kadi Kachori, this D, I will make it Kadi Kachori. Because we have used this Kadi Kachori, instead of D, we are using R everywhere. And this Chole Bhature, we will make it Chole Bhatura because we are using it in the same way everywhere. Chole Bhatura for uniformity. Now we will run this app. So you have to replace the D of Kadi Kachori to R, make it Kadi Kachori, and Chole Bhature has to be renamed to Chole Bhatura. Now click on Pav Bhaji. Let's see. See, very tasty Pav Bhaji. We have to make it bold, and we have to see why it is navigated to the left corner. Let's go back. Click on Chole Bhature. Click on another item, Vada Pav. See, it has to be at the center. So let's go to. So click on any layout file, like say common. This has to be at center, right? So do one thing. Go to its components here. Here this cross. You delete this left constant. Delete this right constant. And then here you click here. Click here and drag it to the here. That is, create the left and right constants again. There was something wrong here. Again go to some other, which was another file. Dabeli is done. Kadi Kachori, Pav Bhaji. This is not at the center again. So delete your left and right constant. Here I don't want this. Drag its left node to this border and this right node to the border. Also, please also do one thing. Let me reduce it. This content is not very bold. So do one thing. Go to its text size property here. Here, I'll maximize it. Can you see it here? B. Make it bold. So this will become bold here. Click here also. This will make it bold here also. This one. Click here. Make it bold. So this you have to apply it on all the layout file. Pav Bhaji is done. Like, I'll save it. I'll make it common also the same way. It is at the center, and change its, make it bold. See, I'll make it here. You can see it bold here. Click here, make it bold, and click here and make it bold. Same thing you have to apply on all the layout file. Like I'll do it on Vada Pav. This is not at the center, right? So do one thing, delete its left and right constants and create them new again. Drag this node to here, drag this node to here. So it's perfect, It's at the center. Change its style property to bold. Make it bold. Click here, make it bold, and click this text property and make it bold. Right, so this has to be done on all the layout files. Let's run it again. It should appear good. See, click on Vada Pav. Right, go back. Click on common. Perfect. So this app is working perfectly well. You don't worry about the code. In the description box I am providing you the link of the code. If you followed this lecture very well, please subscribe to my channel, write your comments, share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.